flossing out the all-carbon car. I'll pop a nigga 7 times, that's the time you arch your ball. My chick will kick you in the shins and have your arches falling. 20 out plus the 9, bro, that's the problem solver. Where the keys and the cash, nigga quit stalling. Had to leave the wet work cause the arts was calling. I poke your freaking poker face, bro, we all in. Then proceeded with my bass, sipping tall cans while the little homies popping perks like some almonds. Yeah, I'm proficient with the cig. I pop a couple shots and leave them twisted in your wig. My propaganda be blowing through your city like the wind. Windshield bulletproof, the seats feel like some figs. That velvet? I had your mama call you next to King Gat from Nolans. I shoot these mud bugs in your skin, no love. I pull the fofo on your friends, I'm loco. A to spray your face, no soul glow. Plus I'm blowing cocoa out the brand new Benz. I hold the axis of the world so low that it bends. All these little niggas know what it is. This, that, wet work. Better hope your vest work. Hollow tip bullets, no textures. The barrel long as a lecture. I'm flying straight from the west coast for this wet work. This, that, wet work. You better hope your vest work. Hollow tip bullets, no textures. The barrel long as a lecture. I'm flying straight from the west coast for this wet work. Y'all be spitting awkward and be holding the bong all wrong. I still buck the chrome horn high, Louis Armstrong. Dudes dressed like they about to sing the damn thong song. My whip Swedish, I shipped it straight from Hong Kong. Verses capricious, but the song mad long. Before reviewing my thesis, have both of your guns drawn. Back pain. On my way to Bedlam, I'm reversing all the cursing. My dude, no red rum. Niggas is uncertain when them damn fed come. Hammer get the squirtin' if you said something. Big head niggas in the field ain't said nothing. I had your moms and your pops and most of your blood running. With a hole in your front and your back. Matter of fact, a hole in your back about twice the size of some Funyuns, nigga. We turn nothing into something, nigga. Back pain, little nigga. This, that, wet work. You better hope your vest work. Hollow tip bullets, no textures. The barrel long as a lecture. I'm flying straight from the west coast for this wet work. That wet work. Better hope your vest work. Hollow tip bullets, no textures. The barrel long as a lecture. I'm flying straight from the west coast for this wet work. Back